तारीख थी 20 अक्टूबर, साल था 1962, समय था सुबह के 5:30 और जगह थी नामकाचू मैकमोहन लाइन नॉर्थ ईस्ट फ्रंटियर एजेंसी, जो कि आज अरुणाचल प्रदेश के नाम से जाना जाता है। तो आज हम इंडो चाइना वॉर के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं।
Delta 6, this is Delta 6, priority, over.
Alpha 18, this is Alpha 18. Send your traffic, over.
Our agencies got that. Chinese soldiers are heading towards your post with heavy firearms and massive amount of soldiers, over.
Alpha 18 copies, over and out.
The fierce war did forge many heroes whose incredible acts of bravery immortalized them forever. One such example was set by Subedar Joginder Singh. The three Chinese troops attacked the Indian position at Namkachu McMahon line, but Indian troops showed stiff resistance to them.
The Chinese then turned their attention towards the strategically important town of Tawang in the Northeast Frontier Agency, which is now in Arunachal Pradesh. The shortest approach of Tawang from Namkachu passed through Bamla axis. To fortify the defense of this axis, the platoon of 1st Sikh Regiment under the leadership of Subedar Joginder Singh Ji was immediately moved to the defensive position on Ivy Ridge.
Subedar Ji and his men mowed down the first wave of Chinese army with their Lee Enfield 303 rifles. As the ammo was at a premium, he also made his men hold their fire till the enemy were completely in their fire range.
Stunned by the quick destruction of their first wave, the next wave of Chinese army attacked the Indian army. But the result was same. Subedar Joginder Singh setting an exemplary bravery. Being wounded, he refused to be evacuated.
As the Chinese had started their third wave of attack, Subedar Ji himself manned a light machine gun, screaming instructions and adjusting defensive positions. When the army had run out of ammunition, Subedar Ji and his remaining soldiers fixed their bayonets and, unmindful of their death, they charged headlong at the Chinese for a last-ditch attack.
At Indian forces, joyous and chanting,
Bole Soneal, Sat Shri Akal.
rang through the air. Gallant band of soldiers fought bravely or showed Chinese soldiers before they were overpowered. After 4 hours of fierce fighting, Subedar Ji was took prisoner of war. He later died in Chinese captivity. Out of 23 men, only 3 survived.
At his very young age, he served as a young soldier at the Burma front in World War II. He also served at the Srinagar in Indo-Pak War 1947 to 1948. Later, he married Bibi Gurdial Kaur Banga and was blessed by 2 daughters and 1 son. He is remembered as the great enforcer of discipline and a great patriot.
He single-handedly killed over 50 Chinese soldiers, displaying unparalleled courage and devotion to duty. After his death, Subedar Joginder Singh was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration for bravery. Today, we remember the motivational story of Subedar Joginder Singh, rich in values of commitment, patriotism and discipline. Let us honor his memory and draw strength from his exemplary courage.